O MLA ke NPP na Mawhati constituency ba Charles Marngar hapakran hakayin dorbar thawain ulapun pau ke jingsongu shaka sorkar balalam kman da ke NPP yaki kamba bha ka bagalale Mawhati constituency barok away kamtam kitain Khappud jong ka jilla ha block 2 ulairo jingshim kya jong ka sorkar bante yaki prat ligi jaka puli lungba ka scheme CMSDF hakishnong Khappud block 2 kabapan bakadon kajing Shongsuk Shongsuk mentah hapadang kisnong kasi Khappud ulo ongru habaidei bat kinong pahara la idon kam bandang bu shushu kambun kibor pulen hamalasnai police outpost nagabanta ka Shongsuk Shongsuk ban yada ikibrio hakite ikitain khadu ulo ong bakajing shim kya ban pun urlong ki Surok kali lengbau menteri ki kam Surok mentah bun kisnong hapo ka constituency kinyo ki Surok kali kumba na maulasnai syakadok hati kabajalan kumba arpau kilometer ki Surok PMGSY ke Surok hadu pamlatar berkunjuru ke Surok na sonidan syadu umsiang sapau kilometer berke Surok maurong kabajalan kandriu kilometer EA kiba yekini on Sdang ban Pyntrei no Shen.
In the governor address, he mentioned that the main objective of the state government is to promote peace and security and well-being of its citizens. Yes, as a local representative representing Mawhati constituency, I agree that during the last year, our people in my constituency who live in border area with Assam, known as Block 2, live in peace and harmony. I would like to thank to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police for your kind intervention. I cannot count how many times our Honorable Chief Minister contacted the CEM of the Karbi Autonomous Council and also the Chief Minister of Assam in front of me. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to inform this August House through you that after 52 years of statehood, there are some villages, schoolless village, in my constituency in border area. Today I'm happy to inform this August House that this is the first time that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya has given school building through his CMSDF in those villages. The construction of work is under process. This has shown that there is a peace and security in our state, especially in border area in my constituency. While standing here talking about that, I hope the people in border area agree with me. I have one request to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home. To you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to kindly give more manpower of forces in Maulasnai outposts for the safety and security of the people in border area. Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister, for your goodness and kindness, and fulfill my dream for the people in border area. Point number 2, talking about the Public Works Department. We cannot deny the fact that our government is playing a crucial role in the state's development. We have seen by our own eyes that many roads projects have been sanctioned. Thank you so much for the 4 PMGSY roads have been sanctioned in my constituency. That is Maurong Road, 16 kilometers, Timau-Losnai to Kudok Hati route, 20 kilometers. Pamlata route, 8 kilometers. And the Lumphut road, 16 kilometers. And thank you so much for the construction of many roads, including MBT, in my constituency. As you know, my constituency is needed more connectivity roads from one village to another village, and especially the 40 kilometers pending roads from Sonidan to Umsiang, Jaki Road, called Umsning Jaki Road.